PHP can be confusing when you start out, but you will soon become familiar with common features that is used in most PHP scripts. Variables act as placeholders for unknown and changing values. Arrays holds multiple values rather like a shopping list. You use conditional statements to make a decision, and loops to perform repetitive tasks. Functions and objects perform preset tasks. When using PHP in the websites, use the file name extension .php for all web pages. Although you can mix pages with .html file extension in the same site, it's a good idea to use .php for all files, even if they don't contain PHP code. By doing so, you can add PHP code later without needing to change the URL. PHP code normally needs to be enclosed in special tags. The opening tag contains of a less than symbol, a question mark, and PHP, without any spaces between the characters. Don't use the short opening tag, as it's not supported by all servers. The closing tag is a question mark immediately followed by a greater than symbol. The closing tag is essential if your PHP script is embedded in HTML, but it can be left out if there is no other code following your PHP script. PHP needs to be processed by the web server before the page can be viewed in the browser. So as a rule, you'll need to store all pages inside the server root folder. In many cases, this is a folder called htdocs, but the name can vary. On some servers, it is called www or www.root or public_HTML. There are cases where PHP can be stored outside the server root for security reasons, but that's something you can learn about until later stage. The need to process the PHP script affects how you view PHP files locally. Don't try to double-click a PHP file in Windows File Explorer or Mac Finder. It won't work. You'll either just see the raw code, or you'll be prompted to download the file. Make sure that your local web server is running and always view the page using a URL.